Hey there, Marshall again from McConnell Auto Center up in the heart of the wine country, Healdsburg, California. Just a quickie of a new arrival. It just came in yesterday. It's a 2020 Chevrolet Tahoe. It's the Premier package, the top of the line. We'll go over some of the features and some of the cool things here in a second, but just wanted to give you a quick exterior shot of how clean this particular Tahoe is. It's only got, I think, 23,000 miles on it. Really nice oversized wheels, tires, running boards. You can see by the little sensors in the front bumper, those little buttons, those are front sensors. Shouldn't bump into anything, parking or getting into a tight spot with that. As well as those same features will also let you know if you're closing in on somebody on the freeway or the road and you're not really paying attention. It'll alert you, warn you, beep, honk, do all sorts of things to let you know, hey, pay attention and you better start hitting your brakes here. So some really cool safety features. Let's get around it here. You can see basically is you can see how nice the tinted windows are for the back passengers, both the second row as well as the third row. I'll point out when we get there that the second row has the bucket seats, usually preferred by most people. It makes it easier for people to get to the third row in the back, and usually that's little people. Same thing, backup camera, backup sensors. That little square plate at the bottom of the bumper is removable. There's usually a tow package tucked away behind there. I'm sure there is in this case. Up the automatic lift. You can do it with your key fob, or just do it by squeezing the handle. A couple of really neat features here. You've got the ability to flip second row seats forward, as well as the third row seats are power operated up and down, so no one has to wrestle with them and holler and scream to get things to move. All you do is just push a button and they'll pop up and down. Let's see if I can get one to do it here for you. Let's try that one. Come on, baby. Go. There we go. And then we'll do the other side here. And again, those second row seats are obviously all the way back, so when they're forward, that will lay flat, and again they lift up the exact same way. Sort of tough to get the right angle here, but makes it really easy for people to get those seats up and down without having to strain or hurt your back or things like that. So here's the driver's side. It's really immaculate. It's super clean. I'll show you some of the features on the inside here. Again, only 23,000 miles. Memory seats, depending on different drivers. Somebody's shorter, somebody's taller. You can adjust the seats to get them the way you like it, and they'll be remembered that way. Seats, mirrors, radio stations, even the position of the foot pedals, because you have adjustable foot pedals. You can pull those pedals closer to you or further away, depending again on your height. And the steering wheel is not only tilt, but it also telescopes. Obviously power seats, power windows, and even the ability to fold up the side mirrors if you're trying to park this thing into a tight spot where there's not a lot of room to get in and out. Sneak in here and show you a couple things here. You have heated seats, air-conditioned seats. Actually, they're officially called ventilated seats, but they do work. I've had people complain about the seats were too cold, and that can be adjusted and fixed. Heated steering wheel. Now, some of the cool safety features here is blind spot monitor. If somebody is in your blind spot on the freeway, it will let you know by glancing at the side mirror. You really don't even need to look over your shoulder. Not that I'm advising that, but it will tell you by a bright orange light in that side mirror if somebody's in either blind spot. So you'll know not to change lanes. It also has lane departure warning. If you start to change lanes without your blinker on, the Tahoe will actually sort of try to feed you back into the lane you were coming from. Not so abruptly that you can't control the vehicle. It just sort of thinks that maybe you're not paying attention or falling asleep, and it wants you to stay in the same lane you were in. So if your blinker is on, that feature does not work, and actually if you don't like that feature, you can push a button and override it to shut it off. But it's a great safety feature, as well as the blind spot monitor and some of the other cool things that it really shouldn't be tough to have an accident in something like this. So you can even charge your phone just by laying it right there in that center console. I don't think every single smartphone, but I know that most of them will charge there. It has navigation. Obviously up here, I can't show, it's too dark, but you'll see OnStar, Sirius satellite radio, all sorts of cool features. And here's your second row buckets that also will flip forward by pushing those buttons in the back. And again, only 23,000 miles, and it looks and seems to be a brand new car. Oh, I forgot, Bose premium sound system. So it's really got it all other than a moonroof and DVD. Hope you'll come over and check it out. Okay, thanks. Bye.